In this video, I will show you how to install and add shaders in Minecraft. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Shaders are a great way to improve how Minecraft looks. They change the lighting, shadows, water, and overall visual quality, making the game feel much more detailed and immersive. To get started, close Minecraft completely and return to your desktop. From here, we are going to use Iris and Sodium, which are two popular tools for running shaders smoothly. Open any web browser you like. I am using Chrome, but any browser will work. In the search bar, type Iris Shaders and open the official website at iris-shaders.dv. Once you are on the site, you can look through the information if you want, but to install it, simply click the Download Now button. After that, choose Download Universal Jar and save the file to your computer. Next, you will need a shader pack. A popular place to download shader packs is CurseForge. Search for CurseForge in your browser, open curseforge.com and select Minecraft. At the top of the page, click Browse All, then scroll down to the Browse By section and select Shaders. You will see many different shader packs available. There are plenty to choose from, but one of my personal favorites is complementary shaders. You can open different shader pack pages, look through the screenshots, and see how each one changes the look of the game. Once you find one you like, go to the Files tab, scroll down to the latest version, click the three dots on the right, and select Download File. It should begin downloading automatically. Now you have downloaded everything you need. Before we continue, a quick shout out to the sponsor of today's video, Apex Hosting. You can find the link in the pinned comment and description. Right now, they are offering 30% off your first invoice. If you scroll through their site, you can check out features like 24/7 live chat support, instant setup, a powerful control panel, and more. Take a look if you are interested. To continue with the shader setup, open File Explorer and go to your Downloads folder. Find the Iris installer and double-click it to run it. If the installer does not open, it usually means Java is not installed on your computer. In that case, go back to your browser, search for Java, or go to java.com. Download the desktop version of Java and install it. After that, return to the Iris installer. Right-click it, choose Open With, then select Choose Another App. Pick Java, check, always use this app, and the installer should open properly. If it still does not run, you may need to use something called a jar fix, which we have covered in another video. Once the installer opens, choose your game version. In this example, I will use the latest version. Select Iris Only, then click Install and wait for it to finish. When the installation is complete, close the installer. Now open the Minecraft launcher. Next to the Play button, make sure Iris and Sodium is selected as your version. Then click Play. Minecraft may show a message saying you are using a modified version of the game, so just confirm and continue. After the game launches, open a world. Once you are in, pause the game, go to Options, then Video Settings, and click Shader Packs at the top. Find the shader pack file you downloaded and drag it into the shader packs window. Make sure shaders are enabled. Select the pack and click Apply. Once it loads, you should immediately see the difference. The lighting will look better, the water will look more realistic, and the whole world will have much more depth and detail.